Welcome back to another video, guys, and in today's video we're going to be taking out this BMW 118i M Sport. This car is in another grey, as you guys can see. It's beautiful. So this is what you're greeted with when you jump into the interior of the car. Super nice looking interior. Everything in here looks really modern. Push to start as well, so I'll go ahead and hit the clutch and listen to what this thing sounds like from stock. I'm gonna flip it into sport because we want to have a bit of fun. Have a listen to the exhaust note of this car when it's stock. Only thing I don't like about lane assist is when lane assist is on, if you try to move, let's say left and right, and you haven't indicated, the car will try to pull you back, which I think that's how it's designed, right? That's how it was designed, and that makes sense in terms of that's how they designed it. If you don't know that, obviously when you get into the car, you should read the manual when you buy your car, whatever, you should know these things. But if you don't know that, when you initially pick it up and you're one of those people that don't read your manual, you could end up crashing your car because you didn't know that your car does things like that, and all you needed to do was press the indicator to tell it you actually do want to move over to the left. So right now we're in a slightly different area. It's a 40 mile an hour zone, but it's quite busy right now. So in terms of this particular car here, I think BMW did a really good job making this car. The 1 Series has been around for a really long time, and there's been multiple versions of the 1 Series, which some of them, the older versions, I'm not so much of a fan of. I'm not a fan of the 07 shape version of the 1 Series. However, I am a fan of you know, the newer shape 1 Series. So we're talking about the 2012 version. I think that version of the 1 Series, whoops, sorry babe, forgot to switch gears. I think that version of the 1 Series is really good. Let's go ahead and cancel this because I don't want the indicator on there anymore. So I am a fan of that version of it, which I've always wanted one of those older style versions of the 1 Series. The 2012 version, I've always wanted one of those, and at some point in the future I plan to pick one of them up because I think it would make for a really good modification project. The newer shape, which is this current shape that I'm in right now, I'm not gonna lie, this car surprised me. That when I saw what it looked like, yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm having some of that. And but I didn't expect for it to be as much fun as it is, or to be as well built as this car is. It's everything that you want. I don't know whether it's just because this particular one is an M Sport, and with the M Sport they put a little bit more, you know, love, if you will, into how it works and how it operates. I don't know if the stock version of this particular car, of this particular 1 Series, is not as good as maybe this particular one, but yeah, this is very refined, and it's just so much fun. Unlimited to what you can do. You can literally make it into anything. Oof. Now we're in second, straight into third. It gets up in speed super fast, like super fast. You go from 10 miles an hour to being 40 miles an hour rapid.